In Rome we say a lifetime is not enough to see everything. Planning what to see and do sometimes can feel overwhelming. Ancient ruins, hidden gems, there's so much beauty to explore and tick off your bucket list that you just don't know where to start. That's what we're here for. Discover what to do in Rome without hours of research on what to see and how to get from one place to the other. We carefully pair the best sites and hidden gems of Rome into ready-to-walk itineraries that you can discover through our live-streamed virtual tours. In other words, we take you on a virtual tour of 60 minutes where we show you where to go, and when you're in Rome, you can walk the same itinerary on your own and walk confidently in the streets of Rome just like a local. Our virtual tours are interactive, so while we are connected, you can ask us questions, we can chat, and we're going to reveal all the secrets of the places you're going to see. Every virtual tour has a 60 minutes duration, but the itinerary you're going to get out of it can take up to 3 hours to complete in person. Don't be scared, 3 hours include time to enjoy the sights, take pictures, stop for a coffee. We take it easy, in full Italian dolce vita style.